Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. And in this lecture, we are going to talk about another mnemonic to realize the role of T cells in our immune system. And I've received tons of questions regarding the difference between the T helper cells and cytotoxic T cells. People ask me how to remember whether the T helper cell is CD4 or CD8, cytotoxic T cell CD4 or CD8. How to remember whether the CD4 cells are going to interact with MHC2 or MHC1. So you need to know all these small little details for many part B questions and also for some part C questions. And recalling is a very important feature during your revision days. Just like now, in your revision days, this video or this kind of mnemonic videos are going to seal your understanding and revision process properly. So with this particular mnemonic, we are going to find out the cytotoxic T cell and helper T cell, whether they interact with MHC1 or 2, whether they are CD4 or CD8. All this information will be told from these two statements that we had and this image that we need to build in your mind. And this image stated that two policemen, they captured a killer. I don't know whether it's a killer or not. This image is just to give you a visual purpose to what we are going to say. We have nothing to do with this image. So what we know is that policemen here, they are working as the T cells, right? So what we say is that the sentence that you need to remember is 42 helper caught 81 killers. So they are actually T cells of our society and they captured killer, right? So this is how I put this information in my mind. So 42 helper caught 81 killers, right? So 42 helpers caught 81 killers. This is the sentence that we need to understand, only one sentence. But we'll rearrange this sentence a little bit. So instead of writing 42, we'll write 40 and then we write 2 helper, right? Caught is separated. Then again 81, we can separate it as at 8T and 1, then we write killers, right? So from this, anyone with a moderate IQ can understand that we are talking about two separate T cells here, helper T cells in this side, because helper means helper T cell and killer means cytotoxic T cells in this side, right? So in helper T cell, this is 4T. 4 means these helper T cells are associated to CD4 plus, cluster of designation 4 or cluster of differentiation 4 plus, and the 2 represents to the MHC type that they interact with. They interact to MHC2 receptors, and MHC2 receptors are provided by antigen presenting cells in our immune system, including the macrophage, the dendritic cell and the B cells. They all act as a professional antigen presenting cells. They engulf the pathogen and break it down, chop it out, and portion of the pathogen is showcased outside via the MHC class 2, which is detected by helper T cells which has CD4 plus on it. And on the other hand, we have 8T, so they have CD8 plus in their surface, and 1 stand for MHC class 1. MHC1, which is found on all nucleated cells of the body. All nucleated cells of the body. The MHC class 1 molecule is found on the surface of all nucleated cell of the body, and basically when a cell is under stress, either under viral attack, or if a cell is turning cancerous, in that case they showcase the part of the fragments outside, and that triggers an apoptosis mediated death or killing of the target cell by the cytotoxic T cell or CD8 plus T cells. But we get to know all this information from this single sentence: 42 helper caught 81 killers, where 4T helper is T helper cell, 4 for CD4 plus, 2 is for MHC class 2, and 81 killers where killer T cell or cytotoxic T cell, 8 is for CD8 plus and 1 is MHC class 1, found on all nucleated cells. MHC class 2 found on antigen presenting cells, professional antigen presenting cells like macrophage, dendritic cells and B cells. All this information you got, not the last one, but rest of the information that we got from this simple sentence. So remember this sentence and imagine this image in your head, and you can revise the cytotoxic T cell and helper T cell quite easily with the help of this mnemonic under 7 to 8 minutes. I believe this video helps you out understanding the list, understanding this concept and remembering and revising the topic very fast just before the exam. These videos are going to be lifesaver just right before the exam. Revise with the help of this video and series of videos. Watch them in this channel. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Thank you.